Hey friends, if touchpad is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for touchpad in the Windows search bar and then go to touchpad settings. You find a switch here. If the switch is off, the touchpad is off. If it is on, then it's on. Other than this, you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Okay, if you don't find it, press the Windows key and the R key together and type devmgmt.msc and hit enter. This will open the device manager. Now expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update the drivers for all the mouse drivers because it's very difficult to tell which one is a touchpad driver. It's easier to update all of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.